you for coming in again. It's still your girl, Bianca Beleza Girls TV. I appreciate your coming in. I appreciate. Thank you so much, guys. I'm trying to know the one that will the phone, the camera that will use, because I don't want anything to hide. Why am I doing this video? Why am I trying to view everything? Is, you know, whenever you ask them to buy anything from Africa, they are like, okay. They will ask you what is inside. Are you carrying anything apart from food? Me, I'm like, why are they asking? I think they are thinking for black magic. What do you guys think? That is what they always think whenever you ask them, is there anybody coming from Africa that can help me to bring things? Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's go. Thank you for coming. So let's go. Just coming back from the school runs, and immediately I went to grab the things. This is one of the bag. Okay, this is another of the bag. Okay, this is one of the package again. This is another one of it. So let's see. First of all, to edit the video. If they have already drawn this black and purple for my daughter. Okay, this is not what I asked for. What you know, this is not the kind of expression. Okay, I will get to see. This is done. This one is. No, what I asked for. Archie's color. Oh, this one is cold. This is a little bit heavy. This one is black Archie's color. That for me. Okay, and this one is black. So on this one, the name they wrote on it, I already did the video. I just want you guys to see everything. Okay, so this is it, the fish and those black fish. So tiny. I'm going to show everything after the boss. Here is those black round fish. They bill me Thank God I was having money with me. For surprise, I've been waiting for this package. So, sorry, this one is a little bit new. Okay, maybe this is another sorry. Palette. This one too. I got these 3 palettes. We don't even have balance in this. Self-love matters a lot. Okay. So these are some lipsticks. Including these are some lipsticks. This is dark red. Oh, this is another red. Another one. So these are some colorful lipsticks. I'm going to show you guys. Allow me to finish. You see lipstick. That's my lipstick. And last one the bag they used to package is even more than the things. Yes, still attachment. Oh my God. That's the reason to do it for the attachment. This is good for you, but I don't think it's follow. And I feel like I like this one. Almost like yellow. This is black. Black from a baby girl. And I think I fresh maybe they have to like this. And this one. things are really fast. Okay guys, let me show you all what I have. Friends, this is it. This is what I have here. These are some beautiful lipstick, and this is a contour palette. Okay, this contour palette I'll be showing you guys on a video. And here is some lipstick, some beautiful hot color. You guys know I love orange, I love red, and that color I'm gonna try it out. And this purple, and here is a cream for hair. Here I have my black fish. The fish is a little is much, okay. It just only me that is eating Africa food. It just I love to eat my black fish. So yeah, is some attachment, and here again black. Here is green, there is gold, and I have different kind of other one. Here is crayfish, and here is this is how this very one is. It's big, very big, like really big. Okay, just only one of this we are okay. So queens, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate every one of you. God bless you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video please. Okay, like the video, help me to like the video as you watch. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.